ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Not a sword. So this is not a sword. So nth root of a means a power 1 by n is a sword of order 5 power 1 by 2 is a sword of order 2. And the fifth root of 7 equal to 7 power 1 by 5 is a sword of order 5. So the square root of any number is always positive. Root 4 is plus 2, not minus 2. Root 4 value. And root 9 value is 3. Root 25 value is 5. Minus 5 is, that is wrong. Root of 4. Value is 2. So now to find the square root of a third, find the square root of here 8 plus 2 root 15. 8 plus 2 root 15. So this is a third square root of 2 root 15. We know the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Find the square root means always find the positive square root. And also a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. So find the positive square root of 8 plus 2 root 15. Now formulas. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Now this write 8 plus 2 into 15 factors 5 into 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this write 5 plus 3 plus 2 into 5 into 3. 5 is, you write square root of root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 3. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is square root of root 5 plus root 3 whole square. That is equal to root of 5 plus 3. Root 4 value is what? 2, like this. So this is root 5 plus root 3. Square root of 10 minus root 21. 10 minus root 21. So this is square root of 10 minus 2 root 7 into 3. 7 plus 3 is 10 Simply you write root 7 minus root 3. Root 7 minus root 3. Or that is also square root of, this is 7 plus 3 minus 2 root 7 into 3. 2 root 7 into 3. So this is square root of root 7 whole square plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 7 into root 3. Root 3. That is the square root of a square plus b square minus 2ab root 7 minus root 3 whole square. That equal to root 7 minus root 3 square root. Root 7 minus root 3 is a positive number. Positive number. Suppose if I write root 3 minus root 7, this is wrong. This is wrong. You have a doubt. Sir, why don't you write 7 into 3? 7 into 3. I write root 3 whole square plus root 7 whole square minus 2 into root 3 into root 7. Root 3 minus root 7 whole square. That is root 3 minus root 7. Root 3 minus root 7 is a negative number. Is a negative number. Root 4 value is what? Plus 2. Root 9 value is what? Plus 3. Plus 3. So, not minus 3. Minus 3 is wrong. Minus 3 is. Minus 3. Minus 3 is wrong. But here, suppose x square equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. So, this is an equation. Equation. X equal to 2. 2 square is 4. X equal to right minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. That means what? See here. X square minus 4 equal to 0. If I write the factors, x plus 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2 comma plus 2. X equal to minus 2 satisfies this equation. X equal to plus 2 satisfies this equation. But here root 4 is Boolean identity. Root 4 equal to that is plus 2, not minus 2. Not minus 2. So answer is root 7 minus root 3. But this is wrong. Next one, find the positive square root of square root of 32 plus 10 root 7. 32 plus 10 root 7. Now we observe that here a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, and a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. This is always 2 only, 2. Now this equation so this is solved, always reduce into 32 plus 2 root something. So 10 root 7 is, that is 2 into 5 into root 7. 2 into 5 is root 25. Take inside. That becomes what? 25. That means you write 20 root of 25 is 5 into 7. So that is 2 into 2 root. So this is 25 into 7. 25 into 7. Now the sum of these two is what? Sum of these two is 32. So 2 root, this is 25 into 7. 25 into 7. See once again, 10 root 7. 2 into 5 into root 7. Root for this is 5 can be written as root of 25. Root 25 is 5. So that is 2 into the root 25 into root 7. Root plus. That is equal to square root of, because always you have to reduce 2 root something, plus 2ab or minus 2ab. So this is 25 plus 7 plus 2 into 25 into 7. That is root of, this is 25 whole square plus root 7 whole square plus 2 into root 25 into root 7. A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is equal to a plus b whole square. Root of root 25 plus root 7 whole square. That is equal to root 25 plus root 7. That is 5 plus root 7. 5 plus root 7. Next one, square root of 14 minus 8 root 3. 8 root 3. Square root of 14 minus 2 into, this is 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 8 root 3 is 2 into 4 in root 3. 2 root 4 take inside, that becomes 16. 16 into 3, 48. 16 into 3, that is 40, 48. 48, that is just you see 2 into, so this is 4 can be written as root 14 into 3. That is 2 root, this is 40, 48. That is 2 root 40, 48. Now the factors, 14 minus 2 root, so here, so that is 8 into 6, 8 into 6, 48, 8 plus 6 is 14, 8 plus 6 is 14. Simply you write the answer root 8 minus root 6. Answer is root 8 minus root 6. No need to write E like this, because this is for understanding. I am explaining in detail. Simply sum of these two is equal to 14. So product equal to 48. So that's enough. Or if we have a doubt how to write, so this is root of 14 can be written as 8 plus 6 minus 2 root 8 into 6. That is equal to square root of root 8 whole square plus root 6 whole square minus 2 into root 8 into root 6. Root 6. A square plus b square minus 2ab form. So that is square root of, so root 8 minus root 6 whole square, which is root 8 minus root 6. Root 8 minus root 6. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Root 4 value is 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 6. But don't write root 6 minus root 8.
Let's see.
In the same way, you try these problems. Root of 23 plus 6 root 10. Root of 30 minus 12 root 6. Root of 11 minus 4 root 7. So in the same way, these you have to reduce 2 root something, 2 root something, 2 root something. You try these 3 problems. And square root of 13 minus root of 160. Root of 160. So already I told the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Always reduce 2 root something. 2 root something. If 2 is not there, you can take outside. That is root of 13 minus root of, always reduce into 4 into something. 4 into 40. 4 into 40. So the value is 160. That is square root of 13 minus root 4 value is 2. 2 root 40. That is square root of 13 minus 2 root 40 factors. 8 into 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. So simply your right answer is root 8 minus root 5. Root 8 minus root 5 is answer. How to write this one? You think for each and every time, not necessary to write the detailed explanation. It is enough. Or if you want to write 8 plus 5 minus 2 root 8 into 5. So this is root 8 whole square plus root 5 whole square. So this is square root of root 8 whole square plus root 5 whole square minus 2 into root 8 into root 5. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is square root of root 8 minus root 5 whole square. That is equal to root 8 minus root 5. So this one. And one different model. Find the positive square root of 12 root 5 plus 2 root 55. 2 root 55. This is square root of 12 root 5 plus 2 into, so this is 55 is 11 into 5, root 11 into root 5. These two, root 5 is taking common. This is 12 plus 2 root 11. 2 root 11 square root of. So this is root A B is equal to root A into root B, where A and B are positive values. Now this is, and root 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 2. And the root of root 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. That is 5 power 1 by 4. That is nothing but fourth root of 5. Fourth root of 5. Root AB, root A into root B, A and B are positive. Root 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 2. Again, root of means 5 power 1 by 4. That is fourth root of 5. So, this you write root 5 root of into root of 12 plus 2 root 11. So, this is fourth root of 5 into square root of 12 plus 2 root 11 factors, 11 into 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. 11 plus 1 is 12. So, this is fourth root of 5 into this is root 11 plus root 1. I think you know how to write this. Already we discussed 4 or 5 problems on this. Square root of root 50 plus root 48. So this is root of, so this root of this is 25 into 2 plus this is 2 into 24. Root of this is root 2, root 25 is 5. 5 root 2 plus this is root 2 into root 24. Root 24. These two, root 2 is taking common. Common 5 plus root 24 square root of. This is root 2, root of this into root of this is 5 plus root 24 is 4 into 6. That is root 4 is 2 root 6. 2 root 6. 2 root 6. Already we discussed about this one. This is fourth root of 2. Fourth root of 2 into root of 5 plus 2 root 6 factors 3 into 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So, answer is that is fourth root of 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. Next problem, root of 23 root 2 minus 12 root 5. 12 root 5. This is square root of 23 into root 2 minus this, right? That is, this is, that is 2 into 6 into root 5. Root 5. That is square root of 23 root 2 minus this is, right, this is 2 root 2 into root 2. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. And this is here into 6 root 5. 6 root 6 into root 5. Root 2 or root I am taking common. Root 2 common. So this is 23. Root 2 is already taken common. Now the remaining part is what? Minus 6 into these two together, root 10. Root 2 into root 5. That is 2 into 5 is, that is 10. So this is square root of this. Now this part, root 2 root of into root of 23 minus this can be written as 6 root 10 is 2 into 3 into 10. 2 into root 9 into root 10. 2 into root 90. 2 into root 90. So this is 2 into root of 90. So 6 root. Therefore this is 4th root of 2. 4th root of 2 into root of 23 minus 2 into root of 90 factors. 90 factors. So here 15 into 6. Or also this is 10 into 9. 10 into 9. Again this is 5 into 2 into 9. And also these together, this is 5 into 18. 5 into 18. So this is 5 into 18. 18 plus 5 is, so this is right, this is the combination. 18 into 5. 18 into 5. 18 plus 5 is 23. So this is 4th root of, this is 4th root of 2 into, so this is root 18 minus root 5. That is answer. That is root of 4th root of 2 into root 18 is 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Root 9 is 3. So this is 3 root 2 minus root 5. That is answer. So these are the fundamental concepts while solving the problems in first year mathematics. Somewhere we are getting this model. So without the knowledge of all these things, it is difficult to solve the problems. So you must be learn all these things compulsory. So you have to practice. So one thing what I'm explaining, what reading makes a ready man, but writing makes an exact man. Writing makes an exact man. Just you need more practice. Then only you are able to solve the questions within the given time. So practice. So you have to, while you can write each and everything, and again you have to do it one time or two times or three times according to your confidence levels. Square root of 11 root 7 plus 28. You try this problem, I will give you just 2 minutes time. 11 root 7 plus 28. See this, root of 11 root 7 plus 4 into 7. Root of 11 root 7 plus 4 into root 7 into root 7. Root 7 is taking common. 11 plus 4 root 7 under square root. So this is part is root 7 root of this part, and the root of 11 plus you have to reduce 2 root something. 4 root 7 is 2 into 2 root 7. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into root 4, 2 take inside, that becomes 4. 2 means what? Root 4. Root 4 is 2. Root 4 into root 7. So this is 4 into 7. That is 2 root 28. So this reduce 2 root 28. This is 4th root of 7. This part is 4th root of 7 into square root of. So this is 11 plus 2 root factors. Factors is 7 into 4, and 7 plus 4 is 11. There are so many factors. You write 2 into 14, but the sum is not 11. So if you write 7 into 4, 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is 4th root of 7 into, as we discussed earlier, root 7 plus root 4. That is 4th root of 7. That is root 7 plus 2. This is the answer. And into one problem like this. Square root of 14 root 5 minus 30. You do the sum.